Hello beautiful people, so this is another quick one for you, and this is going to be the aloe vera leave-in conditioner. We have a peppermint oil, we have a Jamaican black castor oil, we have our aloe vera, and we have our spray bottle and a bowl. So this is going to be a really quick one, easy to do and very effective if you're trying to grow out your hair. So first of all, I'm just going to cut my aloe vera plant. I'm not going to use the entire plant, so just about half of that should do for now. And I'm just going to take the, I guess we call the skin. We're going to take the skin off and get the gel, which is inside. That's what we really want, not the outside part of it. So I'm just going to cut them into little pieces when I have them out of the skin, and then we're going to see what's next. So now that I have everything out, I'm just going to go ahead and put that in my blender and blend that out. You might not have a very smooth mixture, but whatever be the case, you want to definitely strain that out and get the gel away from the little pieces in there. So just go ahead and grab you any, cloth, any strainer, anything you feel is gonna separate it very good. So I'm gonna be using my, of course, wig cap, which I'm sure a lot of you have seen so many videos. So I'm gonna use the exact same thing. I'm gonna pour that on there and strain it out gradually. Now once that's done, that's basically it. So I'm going to transfer that into my spray bottle. But don't forget, this part is absolutely optional. The aloe vera plant by itself is very potent and can do amazing things to your hair. But for me, and I'm sure you guys are going to play around with it as well, for me, I'm going to be adding my peppermint oils, and I'm going to be doing about 6 to 8 drops in there. Now, I'm not going to recommend the same for you. Whatever you want to do, just go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to be adding, of course, about 3 drops of my castor oil as well. And that should make this exactly the way I want it. I'm just going to go ahead and shake this, and it's ready to go. So that's basically it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Try this out if you want to find out the benefits of everything I stated out here. Go ahead and check out the description box. Of course, if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, go ahead and drop them in the comment section. Of course, don't forget also to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I will definitely see you in my next video. As always, you're allowed to dream it, you're allowed to speak it, and you're definitely allowed to live it. Peace out. Mwah.